Happy Friday and happy October. Y'all, I cannot believe that it is already October. This year has flown by so quickly, and I'm just doing my absolute best to keep up with it. And speaking of keeping up with things, y'all, I'm doing my best to keep up with these videos, and I'm hoping here very soon that it is going to be more consistent and I will be more on a set schedule. Probably in my next video, I will announce what I've been working on and what has been consuming a lot of my time, and I am excited to share that with all of y'all. But for this video, we are heading to H-E-B. I actually recorded all of the content yesterday, which I'm glad I did because it's a really gloomy, wet, nasty day here in Texas. And all I really want to do is curl up in bed and sleep the day away. But I was able to film this yesterday and I'm excited about it because I got to coupon some things that I don't normally get to. You know, couponing for shampoo, conditioner, that's great and all. I'm always stoked to get that. But when I can coupon fruit, y'all, now that's a game changer. That's what gets me going every day. Super exciting stuff, and I am excited to bring that to you guys. So before I jump into that video, I do want to make sure you guys are subscribed and that you have the notification bell turned on so that way y'all don't miss any of my hauls. And yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into it. For our first deal, let's grab 5 of these Balmex diaper rash creams. They're $3.98 each, and there is a $4 Ibotta rebate per each one. So you'll pay $19.90 out of pocket, but get back $20 on Ibotta, making all 5 free plus a 10-cent moneymaker. Now you don't have to grab 5 if you don't want to, but that is the limit on Ibotta. Here is another super simple deal that anyone can do this week. These Neutrogena transparent facial bars are $1.97 each, so $3.94 for 2. But there is a $3 off 2 digital coupon in the H-E-B app, so that'll make both just 94 cents or 47 cents each. A new set of P&G coupons came out this past weekend, so that means our infamous Vicks Drops deal is back. You grab 1 pack of the drops for $1.08 and clip the $1 off 1 digital coupon found in the H-E-B app, and that leaves you paying just 8 cents for the pack. For this next deal, you want to grab 4 of the Love Beauty and Planet shampoos and conditioners marked for $6.94 each. Make sure to grab the older styled bottles as this newer one right here did not work with the paper coupons. So you're going to grab 4 for a total of $27.76 and use 2 of these BOGO paper coupons that we got in this past weekend's save inserts. Along with the paper coupons, you're going to use the $4 off 12 basket coupon that's found in the H-E-B app. That'll apply twice, as well as the $2 off 6 shampoo/conditioner basket coupon in the H-E-B app. That will apply 3 times. It'll make all 4 bottles free plus a 12-cent moneymaker. I have some awesome fruit basket coupons that I wanted to take advantage of, and the first one was on pears. It was $2 off of $2 spent on select pears, and here were some of the options. And here was one more option that I found further down the aisle. Much like the pears, I had a $2 off $2 spent on select apples basket coupon, and here were some of the options for that. And here are a few more options for that basket coupon as well. I also received 2 basket coupons for $5 off $6 spent on grapes. The first ones were specifically for these cotton candy or gumdrop grapes. They were normally $3.98 and $3.99 a pound, so that was a super great deal. So I only paid a little over $1 for the cotton candy grapes. The other grape basket coupon was for the premium grapes at H-E-B. You could either choose between the white or the red. I decided to go with the red since I grabbed the cotton candy ones for the other basket. And these were super cheap as well, just a little over $1 for the bunch. These Coca-Cola with coffees are normally $1.86, but there is a buy 2, get 1 free digital coupon that you can clip in the H-E-B app. That'll leave you paying just $3.72 out of pocket for all 3. But then go ahead and submit your receipt to Ibotta, where you'll get back $1 for each one, making all 3 a total of 72 cents or just 24 cents each. Rounding out our haul is an easy deal that anyone can do. You can grab up to 5 of these Quaker instant oatmeals. My store had 3 flavors at 98 cents each. There is also an Ibotta rebate for 50 cents back on each one. So if you grab one at 98 cents with 50 cents back, that makes one just 48 cents. All right, y'all, I finished up this haul with 20 items. That's if you're counting the apples as one as well as the pears. And I'm super stoked about it. I'm super happy about the fruit that I was able to grab as well as the Balmex. That's stuff I normally don't get. So happy about it. And I'm about to head to checkout and see how it goes there. Before I talk about how my transaction went in store and how it went uploading my receipt to the Rebate apps, I want to talk about the 2 digital coupons that I did not use as far as the fruit and vegetables go, the basket coupons. The reason I didn't use the first one, which was a bunch of like different varieties of cut up squash, is because my store didn't have any. So I was not able to use that one. It was a $3 off 3 basket coupon. And the second one was a cooking pumpkin. I guess certain pumpkins you can use to cook with. They were $2.11 or $2.61, I can't remember. And there was $1.50 off basket on that, which I just didn't need that, y'all, so I didn't grab that, but that is another option that you may have on your account. All right, y'all, let's switch back to the good stuff and talk about how my transaction went in store. So my transaction went really smooth. We love a smooth transaction, but I wanted to talk about a few potential hiccups that you could encounter in your transaction. The first one is the fruit. As we know, fruit is weight-based, in which determines its price. So normally fruit may be 99 cents per pound, $1.48 per pound, whatever it may be. So what you need to do is weigh your fruit. You're gonna take the weight of the fruit and multiply it by the price per pound to get your total amount of fruit or the total cost of your fruit. You know, we're redeeming these basket coupons for dollar thresholds. We have to hit that dollar threshold amount in order for them to come off. So weigh your fruit. I did that. The price that I weighed them at was very similar to that of the price at checkout. So worked out great. So just make sure you do that in order to have all of those basket coupons come off. Second, I kind of already touched on this a little bit, and that is the BOGO Love Beauty and Planet coupons. I grabbed the purple ones. They worked fine. I grabbed the blue ones and those worked fine. The green ones worked fine. The pink ones. Just make sure you grab those and not any of the ones in the newer packaging like the one I showed you guys in the video. That worked perfectly for me, and I think those are the only couple things I thought of that someone may incur issues with in their transaction. One more thing I wanted to mention as far as my transaction went in store is that I received this $5 off 20 Catalina coupon for buying at least $20 in Unilever products. And the Unilever products in this haul were the Love Beauty and Planet shampoo and conditioner. So that made for an even better deal. This Catalina is not able to be used until next week, starting on the 6th. But I am stoked to use that, and hopefully I can put some great hauls together with it. I have a couple of other ones that I got from previous transactions. And I also wanted to mention that even if you don't have the $2 off 6 digital shampoo and conditioner basket coupon, this is still a great deal because you will be getting back this Catalina that you can use on your future purchases. So I paid $29.49 out of pocket for all 20 items, and then I uploaded my receipt to Ibotta. If you're not currently signed up for Ibotta, I do have the direct link to do so in the description, and you can receive up to $20 in welcome bonuses by signing up. So do that if you haven't already. But that is the only rebate app we used in this haul, and I got back $23.75, which made this a little under $6 for everything, or a total of 93% savings on this haul. This haul was an absolute blast, y'all. It's always fun to coupon things you don't normally get for free or cheap. So I had such a great time doing it. I'm glad I could bring you guys along with me. That's all I have for this haul today, but please make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.